Bonnie. Hello. Also, I was gonna do the Tolex of the cabinet of this cabinet today, but as far as the back door is concerned, it cracked, probably due to I don't know what, but I'll have to repair that first. I put this Tweed Deluxe aside when I tried it out and discovered it was very, very noisy. And that was about a year ago. Now upon opening it up again, I discovered that these ground connections aren't soldered at all. It's all loose. So we'll put some solder on there. The best way to check whether the grounds are connected properly is to use the continuity check on the digital multimeter. It looks like this, and it makes some noise if you connect and there's a continuous flow. Then you get this beeping sound. You don't have to look at the digital multimeter at all, Brad, guitarologist. Touching this lug here, there's no ground connection whatsoever, so we'll need to solder this and connect this wire to some ground here, down here. You may have to put some extra solder on. The only way to know for sure is to measure for continuity. Looks good. And more bad soldering on the pilot light, so let's fix this. What's smoking? I changed the wiring on the pilot light a bit. Let's see if we get more smoke or if it's any better. Still no light. With less smoke. And we got sound. This is the offending tube. I thought it would have been a 12AX7, but it's a 9565 American style. Okay, let's try it again. Oh boy. Okay, new tube is in. There's a lot more gain. This is on zero. It doesn't even silence completely if I put it down. Ah, this is okay. This is the other channel than the one I'm on. It's -0.